Today, I'm going to create a special appetizer with these gorgeous sea scallops. Select 4 large sea scallops. Set them on a plate and season with salt and pepper. Heat a skillet to medium-high and add some oil. I'm using white truffle oil. Place the scallops in the oil and sear until they loosen from the pan. This will take a few minutes. You don't want to tear the scallops out of the pan. Flip the scallops. We want this nicely brown crust like this. Turn down the heat to medium and cover with a lid. Cook for about 5 minutes. Look at that, gorgeous. Arrange a few steamed asparagus spears in a scallop shell. Top with the scallop. Now we make a pan sauce with the scallops. Add minced shallots and garlic. Cook quickly. Deglaze with a sweet white wine. I'm using a Riesling. Deglazing loosens the particles stuck to the bottom of the pan. This makes the sauce taste good. Reduce the wine by half its volume. Add cream and reduce again. Turn the heat down to low. And now for the fun part. Add shaved white chocolate to finish the sauce. Pour this fabulous white chocolate beurre blanc over the scallops. Garnish the top with a fresh parsley sprig. These are seared scallops with a white chocolate beurre blanc sauce. I'm Peter Harmon, the food guru. If you like this recipe and want to print a copy, come to foodguru.com where you can experience the world's first video cookbook. My video cookbook makes learning to cook quick, easy, and fun. Most cookbooks use only written instructions. Try to write instructions for how to roll an egg roll sometime, and you'll get the idea. My video cookbook combines 3 powerful ways to learn: pictures, written recipes, and videos. I'll walk you step by step through each recipe in only 90 seconds. The video cookbook is different from other cookbooks because it will continue to grow. Each week, we'll add new recipes, tips, and tricks. Your free membership allows you access to this week's 7 featured recipes, which are usually seasonal and current. Select a recipe, print the instructions, and watch the quick 90-second video. These recipes will change weekly, and you'll have access to this free recipe section as often as you like.